Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Birchbox. It came in this cute yellowish, orangish tie-dyed box. Kinda matches my nails. Inside there's a card on top that says, "Everybody needs you time, indulge a little." On the back, a list of products, prices, and additional information. So let's take a look. So the first item I'm pulling out is a dry shampoo with oat milk. I feel like maybe I got this brand a long time ago, but it wasn't dry shampoo, it was something else. So pretty good size to give that a try. I don't use dry shampoo as much as I used to, but still use it every once in a while. Now this stuff, Boost Arrow. This is a color enhancing lip balm. This stuff is pretty cool. So it looks like that, but it will change your lips a different color. Pretty interesting. I like the packaging. Very cool looking. Then I have Honey Cleansing Gel. And I think I have tried this a long time ago. This is for combination dry or sensitive skin. And I think I liked it, but it was years ago. But I do remember that because that's pretty unique. Next item is from Amika. This is Flash Instant Shine Mask for your hair. They do make some really wonderful hair products. So that will last a little while. And two more items. This is Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY. I do not use highlighter, but I always seem to get it, and that's fine because I can find someone to give that to. And there's what that looks like. Very pretty. Cute little container. And the last item is by Ico, and this is Brow Liner Shape and Define in medium. I actually have this and I love it. So it's got a nice fine point to it, and my eyebrows are really light, so I could just like trace over it with this, and it just darkens them just enough for what I need. So I do use a variety of different products, and this is one of my favorites. So super happy to have this because my other one's kind of drying out. I've had it a really long time. So yeah, pretty good box this month. Most of the stuff I will use and I have tried before and liked. So if you guys want to join, I'll put my link below if you want to sign up for a subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.